Hey there, Mark Petrie with Right Here Interactive. Just wanted to talk about a great productivity tool that we use almost every day when building websites called Window Resizer. It's a Chrome plugin, and you can see it up here in the dark mode. It doesn't stand out as much, but it's a fantastic tool. Bottom line, it allows you to quickly resize your web browser to various specific sizes to check out how other web browsers might be looking at it. If you look at statistics on web browsers, there's a lot of different sizes that commonly occur. Those include ones like 1440 by 900. It's a common MacBook size, 1366, 1280 by 1024, and so on and so forth. So what I've done is I've actually customized all my presets in here, and it's really easy to do that. You simply go to you go to the presets and you can add new ones at any point that you want. You just put in the width and height and you say, what is it the window size or the viewport? And then you say, and just keep it at window. And then if I wanted like 1024 by 768, which I already have, and then you kind of give it an icon size, a description of what it is if you want to, like old computers from 1999. Those were the best back then. And then position is pretty interesting. You can unchange, so wherever your browser is sitting, you can have it leave it unchanged, just go to that size. You can use a custom position within your space, or as I always do it, center on the screen, because that way it's just constantly resizing. But I save this preset and now it becomes part of my toolkit. Now I already have this, so I'm not going to save it. But just going back to, for example, this Fuse Financial Partners, you'll notice that my web browser is fully expanded. Basically, I have a MacBook Pro and I set it up to 1675 by 1020, and that's kind of basically where I like it to be fully resized. But I can quickly jump to 1440 by 900. Here it is. I can see, wow, okay, that looks good. There's no real wrapping that's bad or anything. And then as you go smaller and smaller, like 1366, there you go. So that's a little bit smaller. I still don't see the text wraps here. Maybe we might want to address the size of the font at this point, which you can do within the code. Or I can jump down really, really small, like 1024 by 768. Now I can see, okay, we're going to have to address this menu because it does go into the mobile menu, but it's 2 lines, and I'm not a big fan of that. So I'm going to have to address that, particularly as it is a sticky menu and it goes down. So it just gives you a general idea of what it's like to be able to change to specific web sizes. It's always good to get an idea of what other computers on other desktops running other browsers and sizes are going to look like, because it's not just the size that you see it at, but always getting the perspective of as many different types of users as you can. So again, this is a really great plugin for Chrome, Window Resizer. I do not know if they have it on Firefox or anything, but go ahead and add it, give it a try, create your own custom presets to whatever you want, and I hope it works out really well for your team. Thanks.